Hey guys, it's your girl Ty,
I'm Kim.
and today we are here to do a mukbang. I hope I pronounced that right. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's our very first one, and before we start off, we just want to actually Kim's gonna read the definition of what a traditional mukbang actually is. So babe, go ahead.
So, a mukbang started in South Korea in the 2010s, and it's an online broadcast where the host eats a large amount of food in front of an audience while interacting through conversation, etc. So, that's what we're here to do.
All right, guys. And I have watched a handful of the mukbangs on YouTube, and I actually really enjoyed them. So today, for our first one, we decided to do pizza, salad, and wings. And there's this place that we really like to go to. Actually, we haven't actually eaten there. We eaten there.
Not in a restaurant.
We haven't eaten in the restaurant, but we've always gotten to go or delivered. It's called Rotelli. If you can see the name right there. So we actually got a small pizza from them that we have it cut Chicago style. And on the pizza it's gonna be cherry peppers, which are what are they? They're kind of like banana peppers. We got roasted garlic and onions, it looks like we have on there. So sometimes we go back and forth with either black olives or what else, mushroom sometimes too. But this is what we got for that. And
This is a chicken salad with gorgonzola and candied walnuts and cranberries.
gorgonzola, and that actually is really good. I'm not really a nut person, but the walnuts on there mixed with the salad is actually really, really good. One thing we forgot was plates. So we actually get plates. We didn't actually get any.
Let me grab them.
So we're gonna get some plates, and then this last packet here are gonna be their wings, which their wings are really good. The wings that we get are just we get just plain wings. What do they call the plain wings?
Yeah.
They're just the plain wings, and we get the sauce on the side, which is like a garlic sauce. So this is what wings look like.
They're good.
They're actually really good. And so some blue cheese on the side, some celery, and then this right here is a garlic, what's in it?
Garlic honey sauce.
It's a garlic honey sauce. It's actually really good. So that is what we have. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Then I can put these here right there. Alright, so then we got ourselves some, just some paper plates, just because we don't need to be.
Oh, there's avocado on there too.
Avocado. And there's avocado on there. Avocado on there. Alright, so I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and just do kind of get our food on our plates and kind of go from there. Oh, and I always have to have my hot sauce. This is the Louisiana hot sauce. I've been through so many different hot sauce, and every time I like a certain hot sauce, it seems to get discontinued. What was that one? It was a habanero, mango habanero that Target used to carry, and then they ended up getting rid of it. And so I had to go to Louisiana. But before the habanero, I was hooked on Frank's hot sauce.
Yep.
And the Frank's was so freaking good. I love the Frank's. I'm actually gonna do this because I tend to make a huge mess sometimes when it comes to certain things. Not all things, just certain things. Not all things, especially in eating. So I'm like, I have to get that one over my sweater, which I'm sure it probably is. So I'm going to hide the tags. So while we do this, what's the name? I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Mukbang. We actually have a topic we are going to talk about. We're just going to talk about we're going to bring it back to the 80s, and then we're going to like 80s like movies, 80s music. We're just gonna kind of, you know, talk a little about that, about that, right?
Yes.
Why are you laughing?
Because I don't remember much of the 80s.
You don't remember much of the 80s. Tell me
No.
why. What were you busy doing in the 80s? What was one of your most
I was in high school.
memorable things?
Late 80s, late 80s. I was in high school. And I don't know, I just don't remember much of it. So we'll see how this goes.
All right, so you're in high school. Did you guys like do any drinking in high school?
Yes, lots of drinking.
Well, back in Wisconsin, anything kind of goes, huh?
That's true.
Okay.
What were you doing in the 80s? Like 89, where were you?
I don't know. I was probably cheerleading, being silly. Probably hanging out with myself. If I wasn't cheering, you know.
What grade were you in?
I don't know. I'm not really gonna say. We're not even gonna talk about that because it's not for everybody to know.
I think you were in the
Babe,
7th grade, right?
I don't know.
7, right?
Honey, I don't know, but I don't really want my age to be all over everywhere, okay? Is that okay?
I guess.
Okay. So, besides that, what movie was I watching? One of my favorite movies I remember. It was, I was gonna even say like the summer of something. And I actually didn't have that, like, I didn't tell you, it was, you've seen this for Teen Witch?
Maybe I just don't really remember it.
Where she
Teen
wanted to be
Witch?
the most popular girl in school.
Who was the star?
What is her name? She has red hair. I don't really know what her name is. You
Molly
remember that
Ringwald?
one? No. You remember that one lady? She was the short lady who was like, "Come back to the light, Caroline."
Yeah.
She actually played in that movie. And she was like the witch that the girl went to go see. And she didn't know she was a witch, but when she turned 16, that's when she was gonna get all her powers. Do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Vaguely. What are some other movies that you remember?
Ferris Bueller.
That's a good one. Ferris Bueller's Day Off. What was your favorite part?
Probably when, well, there's a couple good parts, but when he had the whole thing in his room set up because he didn't want to go to school and had the whole like trap. His parents thought he was actually in there.
Like breathing and...
Yeah, the breathing machine or someone actually underneath the blanket. I don't know. It was so crazy.
How about you focus and stop reading your texts?
Well, I'm not. I was looking at my.
She was.
Yeah, so that was what about yours? That was mine. These wings are actually really good.
I love the part where the friend, and I don't remember
I
his
knew he
name.
was going to say something.
When he just was fed up with his parents and then drove the car out of that glass showcase and into like the trees.
Those are the trees in the house, right? From their garage.
Yeah, but it was all glass and they kind of busted through and then landed out into the...
Because
It lived in like a forest or
yeah,
something.
they did.
don't
I
know what-
remember. And what did Ferris do to like, so he didn't get in trouble? They found a way to
Well-
like run the car.
That's... No, they found a way to...
I'm talking about the wrong part.
No, they were... The odometer, they were trying to make it go backwards because they took the car out for the whole day. But it like fell off the... I don't know what that was called. Something. And then that's when it like... And he was so scared. But then it was almost liberating for him. Because he wasn't under his dad's...
Like supervision or something like that?
Yeah.
That guy was such a Debbie Downer. Like the whole time they ditched school, all he was doing is pouting in the backseat. Literally. Pretty much. But it was a great movie, so if you guys haven't saw it, you should definitely check it out. Seen it, you should probably check it out. I'm trying to think about what and some other movies there.
Can't Buy Me Love. When was that made?
Can't Buy Me Love. Oh, I love that movie.
With
Oh,
McDreamy.
yeah, McDreamy. It was actually 1987 is when that movie came out.
What's his name?
Patrick Dempsey.
Oh yeah.
Patrick Dempsey. That's his name. Can't Buy Me Love. So there's also kind of like a remake of it, and it's called Love Don't Cost a Thing. But Can't Buy Me Love was one that came out first, and they kind of mocked it. And Love Don't Cost Me Thing is with Nick Cannon and Christina Milian, and they just kind of like mocked it a little bit. So
They didn't mock it. They just kind of remade it. To
they
be more
remade it.
current, right?
They did, but used literally a lot of the same lines from the movie.
It was like a remake of it.
Yeah. So. Ooh, the cherry peppers are kind of hot.
There.
What about Stand By Me?
Okay, that was a good movie. It's where a group of friends, I don't know, spent the summer hanging out, but then they they were looking for a dead body. They overheard one of their older brothers say something about a dead body, and they were going to go check it out. So it was kind of their adventure into finding this.
And finding the dead body. It's like kind of went on like we would, you know how we do like a road trip? They went on a walking trip because they're a lot younger, so they walked wherever they needed to go. And seeing, okay, and seeing just a lot of things on their way. I mean, that was really a good movie. A cast of 4 guys. They're probably about in there. How do you think those guys are now today?
In their 40s.
And one of the guys, and one of the guys actually has passed away. The character a lot of people would want to see, like, kind of made the movie. His name was River Phoenix. He has a brother who's still around. His name is Joaquin Phoenix. I want to say Jaquan. His name is Jaquan Phoenix.
His name is not Jake Phoenix.
Yeah.
I had to shut the door on the dogs because they were crying because we were out here.
Gracie could smell food from anywhere. I'm sure that's what she was
yeah,
doing.
because we were eating.
And she was like, right? I wonder if Isabella's in there. I don't know. So, what do you think of the food so far?
The salad is one of my favorites of all times. I could eat this every day. The dressing is so
Actually,
good.
it's really good. These are pieces of pizza. I'm telling you, it's really good. Even with the peppers on it, you can like take it off, but it's really good. Sometimes you don't really like spinach that much because it hurts your stomach, but this is actually
It's a mix,
good.
right?
Yeah, it's a mix. It's like
Oh,
kind of
no.
mixed with.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. 16 candles. Favorite memory from that one?
Is that where her sister was getting married?
Her sister's getting married. She turned 16. They forgot her birthday. She met this guy. Well, she liked this guy in high school.
The popular guy, Jake Ryan.
Oh, you remember him? But she didn't think he even knew she existed.
Oh, but he did. One of my favorite scenes of that movie has nothing to do with Molly Ringwald, but it has to do with her sister. because it was her sister's wedding.
I know what you're gonna say. I'm shook the pill.
Her sister had her period.
Because her mom gave her the
And
pills.
so she took a bunch of muscle relaxers before she walked down the aisle, and she was a hot mess. Stumbling down the aisle, like it was so funny. That was one of the
Didn't she
funny.
pass out?
I don't even know. She was just messy, super messy.
And her mom's telling her she'd be nice to her because she had her period. Yeah, that was funny.
What was your favorite part of that movie?
Oh, it was when she finally got the guy.
Really?
When he came to the door. Well, actually, two parts.
Yeah, I guess.
When he
that's
came to the
cute.
door, you know, and then like she finally was able to celebrate her birthday, and they did in the house with the candles lit, and it was really sweet. I like that part.
And they
then-
kissed over the cake.
Yeah, that was actually really nice. But remember the step cousin, I don't know the guy. She went and got Maddie. Married? Maddie. You remember?
I think it was a foreign exchange.
They were the grandparents' kids, right? I mean, they adopted him. Didn't they? I don't really
I
remember.
don't know if he was adopted, but I think he was like a foreign exchange,
Student or something.
some sort of a student or something.
That was pretty cool. His character was so crazy. All he wanted to do was just walk around, right? He was dating that one girl.
The tall lady with the big boobs.
Mm-hmm. When he's all short, he's on her, like when she's driving the bike.
He was on her
They were
lap.
working out at the party at Jake's house. That was so funny. Mm.
Hiccups.
He didn't eat bread yet. And the hiccups. What about Dirty Dancing? I know you don't think that's not one of your favorite movies or anything about
I remember
Patrick
bits of
Swayze
that.
though.
No, not my favorite movie.
Why not?
I don't know. I just never liked it.
I like the dancing. I don't like that she was acting very desperate. They couldn't say what thirsty these days, right? Well, she was. She was following around. Wouldn't notice her. She was vacationing with her parents for like the summer. He worked there, you know, typical one of those stories, right? What is this?
It's creamy
Is it a
balsamic.
vinegar? Oh, it's a balsamic?
Mhm.
I'm gonna taste it a little bit of this. What this? This is a celery stick that came in the wings. You know, sometimes when the celery sticks come with the wings, they get so soft, it's like bendable. I'm telling you guys, if you live in South Florida and you haven't been to Rotelli, right? They definitely should go.
I like it.
It's good pizza. It really is.
What other movies do you have on your list?
What other movies have on my list? I mean, you don't really want to talk about Dirty Dancing that much. Let's talk about St. Elmo's Fire. I like that movie. You thought I was going to say some big things, huh?
I don't really remember that movie that much.
You don't? Okay, so let's talk about the friends. They're a group of friends who,
Demi Moore was in there.
what's the guy from the Mighty Ducks? Emilio Estevez. Estevez? Yeah.
Estevez.
Mm-hmm. The guy from The Breakfast Club. What's his name? Dark hair guy.
Rob Lowe.
That's Rob Lowe.
Rob Lowe was in there?
Rob Lowe's in this movie, yeah, but he's not from The Breakfast Club.
Oh no.
But he is in the movie.
Emilio Estevez is from The Breakfast Club. Right?
Yeah, he is. And then what about the guy, kind of the bad dude with dark hair? He goes out with the, what's her name? Shannon, goodness, what's her name? She's from The Breakfast Club also. So we got three people from The Breakfast Club. The one who was Ray Mousy, what's her name?
That's a big bone.
Yeah, there's a big bone hanging out.
Ali Sheedy.
Ali Sheedy's in that. Emil Estevez, Demi Moore, two other characters that we don't remember their name. But anyways, they were a group of friends who graduated college together, and you know, they kind of wanted their bond to stay very tight. So after like college was over, they had to get to like more of their like real lives, and it kind of just like showed like the stories from all of their lives. So one of the girls, his character she was in love with one of her friends, and he knew it, but he just kind of used her a little bit because she knew her parents had money, and he just knew that she'd do anything for him. Demi Moore's character, she did come from a rich family, but like her family was her dad had remarried, so he and his wife weren't really around, and they just kind of like just left her. I don't know, she kind of always was wanting to be a part of that family, and so she lied a lot, she drank a lot, and she like spent all of her money, so she really didn't have any. What was Rob Lowe's character like?
You're asking the wrong girl. I don't remember this movie that much.
Oh yeah. I don't know, I think just like that moral of the story is that they just kind of went through a lot of ups and downs, and then at the end of it, they figured out like what the right thing they needed to do was for
their friendship.
For their friendship and for themselves. Which is a really good movie, you guys. Check it out. It's 1985. It's called St. Elmo's Fire. It's actually on Amazon Prime. If you want to watch it. Okay, so what was one of your favorite 80s movies? Like not 80s, like 90s.
We can talk about Friday. That's a classic.
Shut up, man. Come to pass.
For what? Bobby smoke bud too?
How you doing, brother Craig? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm telling
It
you.
doesn't get much better.
I see him. But yeah, Sister Jones in? Nope. Need his brother John. They both at work.
You need to be nimble.
Excuse me, brother. What we call drugs is 74th Street Baptist Church. We call us sin sin.
Well, around here, between Normandy and Weston, we call this here a little twin.
You won't get fired on your day off. He said they caught me on camera stealing boxes. Oh, such a good movie. Great movie. Debo's ass.
Oh,
It's a bully.
horrible.
What a bully.
They're also young. Regina King was so young.
Oh yeah, she was up in there. Regina King. Nia Long. Do you guys ever see those are they called mimes?
What? Okay. Why don't you leave that to the upper profession?
Isn't that what they do?
I mean, maybe, but
I've seen it. Not in person, I'd be freaked out.
are you okay?
Oh, cool. I think it's the food is getting to me. It's making me want to
You're miming over here.
smack somebody. It is good. Anyways, yeah. I don't know. The 80s were fun. You know, a lot of like dancing. I feel like people could just do whatever the hell they wanted to do in the 80s. You know. Right?
Yeah.
Everyone's good. Gracie's getting louder.
I know.
Parents could like actually whoop their kids' butt and get away with it. Don't get me started on the music, y'all. This On the music, we have Madonna,
That's who you choose?
Paula Abdul,
Girl.
Rush, Rush. Hurry, hurry, love will come to me.
That's who you choose?
I'm trying to think. We had. Who'd you pick? Oh God, I'm ready to see who she's gonna pick. Who you gonna pick?
I don't know. I should have prepped this before, but I don't.
From the '80s, who you gonna pick?
Who's from the 80s?
Come a camellia.
It's so hot on
Come
this
and
pizza.
go. Come and go.
This?
Yeah.
But it was over here.
Mm-hmm. Or Boy George.
There's better
Or-
music than Boy George. I just can't think.
I like.
I did not prep for this mukbang at all, obviously.
You don't need a prep, man. You just need to just freestyle. A little bit. You know? Actually, I'm enjoying this pizza. These wings are so good, guys. They're
This
really
pizza
good.
is spicy.
It's not spicy. See, we never really get like the peppers in it because Kim
But
doesn't.
I feel like it's.
No, I think maybe because
It tastes jalapeno-y to me.
they're not. Let me find a piece that's like. Mmm.
Pig, calm down.
Gracie's acting up. She's acting brand new in there. Ooh, that place was spicy. And I had the cheese. We ain't doing the spicy challenge, y'all. Woo! So, guys, when we sit here and eat this lovely food, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys. If you like this video, like any of the other videos, definitely for this video, give it a thumbs up. Go check the other videos out. Watch them. If you like them, give them a thumbs up. You guys share the videos. Definitely share the videos. That's how I'm gonna get myself out there. You know, if you share the videos. If you like the video and you think someone else is gonna like them, definitely share these videos, guys. Okay? I just want to throw that out there while we eat. And again, guys, thank you for big 20 subscribers, y'all. Yeah. All right. So,
What's your goal for subscribers by the end of the year?
well,
Because right
I
now
did
it's
mention-
October 5th.
October 5th. Well, I did mention in one of the videos that I think it was, I'm not really sure it was, I think it was like a topic video, that I'm looking to hit by the end of December, because that is the end of the year, have at least 200 subscribers. And if we hit that 200 subscribers, and if we hit the 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, and I still plan on doing that. I'm going to shout out a video for that. It's going to be two $25 Visa gift cards, but you got to make sure that you like the videos. You got to make sure that you comment on the videos. You got to make sure that you share these videos, guys. 200. I am definitely going to do a giveaway. Two $25 Visa gift cards. So keep that in mind. All right, guys. So yeah. So that's my goal there.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. You getting full?
Yeah.
I'm good. Me too. I'm gonna finish this piece. And I think we're gonna call it quits after that. After this, we just want to share. We just wanted to share one of our places that we like to eat with you guys. For pizza wise, we do plan on doing a couple more mukbangs, some different things, trying some different items. We are definitely trying to eat healthier, like I said, before the holidays.
Healthy?
We're trying to eat. This is not healthy at all, but this was the first mukbangs we had. I felt like we had to go a little bit all out. So, but as far as eating healthy, yes. Monday through Friday, for sure. I'm telling you, all week it was all about health food. Yeah, I'm gonna say it was all about health food, raw vegetables. I'm telling you, my stomach was on fire. Like just eating something raw vegetables, but that's what I love to do. I love eating. Bad. But I feel like on the weekends you can splurge, but you have to just make sure that you're doing things you need to do during the week. You know, going to the gym, just eating healthy, just doing things like that. So trying to get to definitely to some kind of a routine, which I mentioned to you guys in my workout routine video. So I definitely am still going to try to work on it. If I can't hit less, if I cannot get to my goal of down 20 pounds by the end before the actual holiday starting, not counting Halloween, but like, you know, Thanksgiving.
20
I'm going to
pounds by
continue.
Thanksgiving.
But I'm going to continue to work on that. Yes, Thanksgiving is what, just 2 months away. About
A little less, but
I
that's
know.
pretty aggressive.
it is, but it's doable. And if it's not 20, it'll definitely be half of that goal. So I'm definitely doing that. You got to start somewhere. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Honey, you only had 1 weight. For me, I had 3. But the wings were like the main thing I ate. Well, I ate some pizza too. Oh my god, guys. So thank you for hanging out with us when we, you know, enjoyed our first mukbang.
It was fun.
Did you like it, Addie?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
wasn't very prepared, but next time I will be.
As far as?
I don't know. I just felt like the topic, I wasn't that.
Yeah.
I don't have the best memory, so
Yeah, so sometimes.
I need to like refresh my memory on what we want to talk about.
Right. Well, let's cheers to that.
All right.
Cheers to the first mukbang. Many more to come, guys. Thank you for watching this with us. Definitely, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely share this video, guys. All right.